We are going to have our food in the banana leaf in the village. So today curry is simple, vegetable curry with saag and aloo, and then mushroom here, and then we have the rice, saag and potato. Cut easy, window easy. Then we have a banana flour. We are going to eat later on this banana flour. So Hamid is going to enjoy the food in the banana leaf. Yes. And Kale is also going to enjoy. How is the taste, Kale? Number one? Yes. So we are going to eat now. Are you enjoying? Kids are excited to eat in the banana leaves. Wow, wow, wow. Let's eat. खै हामीले अन्डा पनि बनाइदिनु अन्डा बनाइदिनु नि हौ कान्छी बनाइदिनु अन्डा local anda. We are going to eat local anda. Yummy.
No, oh no, E1.
Yummy. First class. How is it taste?
Kind of good. Yummy.
Yes.
Yummy.
Yummy? Yeah, good. This is the first time we are eating in the banana leaves. and it is said that if we eat in the banana leaves, it is very healthy. No chemicals. Everything is natural, organic.
No, why? What?
Eat. Rami, eat. This is rock. Rami, rock.
Mushroom.
Let's just good. Eat.
Yummy.
Yes. See, Hamid is enjoying.